In a beautiful meadow, there lived 3 strong bulls who were the best of friends. They always stayed together, which kept them safe from danger. One day, a hungry lion spotted the bulls and wanted to catch them, but he knew he couldn't take on all 3 at once.
Those bulls look delicious, but I need to separate them first.
The lion came up with a clever plan. He approached each bull separately and whispered lies about the others.
Did you know the other bulls are planning to leave you behind? You should stay away from them.
Soon, the bulls began to argue and drift apart, believing the lies the lion had told them.
I can't believe they would do that to me.
I thought we were friends.
I'll stay on my own from now on.
With the bulls separated, the lion saw his chance. He attacked the first bull, who was now alone and unprotected.
Help! Someone help me!
One by one, the lion attacked the other bulls, who were too far apart to help each other.
I can't fight him alone.
Why didn't we stay together?
The lion was triumphant, having defeated the bulls one by one. If only the bulls had stayed together, they would have been safe.
Divided, they were weak and easy to defeat.
The bulls learned a harsh lesson too late. Unity is strength, and division leads to downfall. Remember, kids, stay united and support each other. Thank you for listening, kids. Always remember to stay united and support one another.